Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript for loop. We already know that in JavaScript we have total 5 types of loops: while loop, do while loop, for loop, for each loop. And we already learned about while loop and do while loop. And in this tutorial we are going to learn for loop. So let's see the syntax how we can type for loop in JavaScript. To create for loop, first we need to type for keyword. Then inside the round braces, at first, we need to initialize a variable. Then, we need to check the condition. And after that, we need to increment, otherwise decrement our value. As you can see, we use these 3 important steps in a single line. So as you can see, we cover 3 stages at once: initialization, condition, and increment. And if the condition return true, then it's going to print this statement. Most of the developer use for loop as compared while loop and do while loop, because their work is done in one line. So let's start the practical and see how we can use it. As well as you can see, we already created a HTML document named index.html, and also I opened my browser using live server extension. So at first, I'm going to type for keyword because we don't need to initialize any variable before for loop. So here I'm going to type for. And now I'm going to initialize a value inside the round braces. Var a equal to 1. Then semicolon to end this line. And then I'm going to set a condition: a less than equal to 10, and semicolon to end this line. After that, I'm going to increment the value. So here I'm going to type a plus plus. Then inside the curly braces, I'm going to type our document statement. Document dot write. Inside the round braces, I'm going to print hello world. Hello world. Also, I'm going to use a br tag for break the line. Then semicolon to end this line. If I set this file, as you can see, it print hello world 10 times. It's also work like other loops, but you have to write less number of lines here. As you can see, just in 2 lines, we get the same result. And now I'm going to explain you what is the working mechanism of this loop. As you can see, when we run the for loop, first it's going to initialize the variable. In our case, a assigned with 1. Then it's going to check the condition. As you can see, now a is less than 10. It means condition return true. And if the condition return true, then it's going to execute the document statement. And then it's jump into the increment section, add 1 with previous value. And then again it's going to check the condition. And if the condition is true, again it print this document statement. Until the condition return false, it's going to run the loop. When a value become bigger than 10, then it's going to stop executing loop. So this is the work process of for loop. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.